Sighing a sigh of relief dahil hindi nakalusot ang complaint na Makabayan Block sa kanyang mga kakosa.
Not really. I mean, the House is doing their job. I'm glad that, of course, I'm glad that now the impeachment complaints against me have been are finished, and as the statement that we made earlier, I'm happy it's done, and we can get on with our work. Because these things are distractions from the things that we were doing. Although I wasn't very worried because I saw the impeachment complaint, and I knew that I would be all right in terms of the impeachment. Because here, wala naman, there were no real grounds for the impeachment. It was a political move,
Mr. President,
as usual.
Actually, nakakatawa nga nung overwhelmingly bumoto ang Committee on Justice na sufficient inform ang dalawang impeachment complaints, basically saying tama yung ginawang pagpasa na may nag-endorse ng at least isang kongresista. Nagputok ang Bucini, Manila Congressman Benny Abante, who was essentially given his seat by COMELEC nung dineklara nilang disqualified yung nakatalo sa kanya.
With 35 in favor, 9 against, and 1 abstain, the chair declares the Massa et al. Complaint sufficient in form.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Abante.
it is very clear that there is insufficiency in form. Very clear po yan. And I'm so glad for the rest of those, my colleagues, that supported my objection. And therefore, realizing that this is actually an exercise in futility and a waste of the people's money, I therefore would like to walk out of this hearing right now.
The manifestation is noted. We have concluded the determination in form of both the Jesus complaint and Massa et al. Complaint. If there are any other matters the member wish to discuss before we suspend? No other matters? There being no other matters to discuss, the meeting is suspended until 10 a.m. tomorrow, February 3, 2026.
Now alam naman nating hindi papasa itong mga impeachment complaint na ito. Wala